And today we are going to be putting cars into slime. Remember when we did this box track? This cool box track. Now we're going to be putting it down this bit to get into the slime. I've got 3 cars here.
So who's going to be starting?
My brother's going to be starting.
Is William starting? Oh! Ooh!
It's sinking!
It's definitely in the slime.
Like lava.
Okay, how many cars have you got? How many Hot Wheels have you got left to go down the slime?
2. 2 more.
Ooh. Okay,
William,
let's do that.
Mission.
Let's do it.
He's a green one.
Ew.
That means they go in good.
Okay.
Didn't come in too much because they'll get too dirty. Now
Okay, and another one?
let Carter go down. No, now it's Oliver's turn.
No, you put all yours in first.
Cool Lamborghini.
Oh, let's see this Lamborghini. Wow. Is it like Cher's Lamborghini?
Yeah.
It's Carter's Lamborghini, just not green.
Super cool. Look what it says on the side. Just put it down. William, stop.
Ooh. Okay, so let's see how this Lamborghini goes in the slime. See? Oh, upside down, straight in the slime.
Oh. So cool.
Straight in, sinking in.
William made a lot more slime than me.
Oh, it's more foamy because he had loads of shaving foam. Okay, and now do the Oliver's.
Okay.
Let's see how his slime is. It.
Okay. First, I'm just gonna go with this normal car.
So what's that? That's a sports car, racing car.
This is
Ready,
my-
steady, go! Uh oh.
Put it down again.
Oh, Hot Wheels are better.
Yeah, Hot Wheels.
Oh, it went into William's slime. Ah.
Now I am rolling my slime.
Okay, let's try Hot Wheels. Show me what you got. What Hot Wheels
Okay.
have you got?
I've got this one.
What is it? Let
Which
me
is
just
the
zoom
Captain
in. Wait.
America one. See-through one.
Okay, let's try. Oh no! It went into Williams as well.
Put it in mine.
I think Williams.
Wait, can I put it in mine?
I think they like Williams slime.
Okay, Mummy, just move William's slime away. Just move William's
Right,
slime.
let's move it away
Can I put it
because
down?
it's attracting
Can I put it
Oliver's
down
cars.
Put it down again.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
It touched the thing. It went like
Okay, what else is going down?
this one. Yeah, blue. Blue. Let's see if it... Put this one down. Put the tissue in the bin.
Aww.
Okay, I'll put it down there.
Aww. Oh, William had more luck.
Most of them want to go.
Okay, let's try. Leave them cars. Let's try Hot Wheels.
Yeah,
Like the first one, you see the Hot Wheels when they. What one have I got?
Bum, bum, bum. That's cool, isn't it?
Okay, let's put
Blue
it down.
is cool.
Yay! See, Hot Wheels work every time. Woo!
Two.
Where's the golden one?
I'll put this one down. No,
Oh, where's the golden Hot Wheels?
I put it in already.
Ah, you put it in. I didn't see this one going in. So let's see them Hot Wheels sinking. So definitely Oliver's slime is thicker because they stay on the surface sort of. And Williams are gone.
I'm just gonna wipe
Completely
this.
gone.
But you can see that some of that black.
Should we try to get them out?
Yes.
See how they covered in
Get
slime.
them out.
Eh.
Is there one?
Eh.
Where is there one?
Let's try to get Lamborghini out.
There's one. It's a mystery. I don't know what this one is. Just don't put it on here because then it'll get dirty. And then we'll spend loads of time cleaning it.
And now what? Can't see because of your hands. Move them away. Go and wash them quickly.
Now I'm gonna take one out.
I'm trying to find Lamborghini.
It drops. Now I'm gonna pick
That's the
one out.
Lamborghini.
I'm gonna pick one of mine.
Can you just run to the toilet because it's gonna drop? Quick!
I want to go with Oliver. Come on, Oliver.
Okay, let's do a few. Try to get it out. See how slimy they are.
I want to go with Oliver.
Ew.
That's slimy.
Yeah, that's gloopy.
So gloopy. Gloopy.
Yeah.
Put him back in.
All right then. I think we're gonna go and wash our slimy hands.
Ew.
Okay.
You got quite slimy hands. You've got blue hands.
Okay. So.
Give us a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.